5 nature facts about London. Fact number 1. London is one of the world's greenest major cities. Over 47% of London is green space, including parks, gardens, woodlands, and nature reserves, more than most global capitals. Fact number 2. The River Thames is home to over 115 species of fish. Despite being declared biologically dead in the 1950s, the Thames is now a thriving tidal ecosystem with seals, eels, flounder, and even occasional porpoises. Fact number 3. London has over 8 million trees, almost one per resident. This gives London the unofficial nickname, the world's largest urban forest. Fact number 4. Richmond Park is home to 600+ free-roaming deer. The park's red and fallow deer have lived there since the 1600s, making it one of Europe's most unique urban wildlife habitats. Fact number 5. London has 36 sites of special scientific interest, SSSIs. These protected areas include wetlands, ancient woodlands, and rare grasslands, places like Epping Forest, Ruislip Woods, and Wimbledon Common. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. Who knew London was so green? See you next time.